Most people think solar panels are the most important part of the solar system. They are not. The solar panel only generates energy, but the inverter converts that energy into the type your appliances can use. If your inverter is of poor quality or undersized, your entire system suffers. A good solar system is designed properly from outward inward. Follow Solar Mike if you like this video and leave us a comment in the comment section.